In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Flodesk form on WordPress, and in just about 5 minutes you'll have it all set up. First, let's talk about why you'd want to do this. If you're using Flodesk, it's probably because you appreciate its beautiful designs and user-friendly interface to manage your email marketing. Embedding a Flodesk form on your WordPress site is a fantastic way to capture leads straight from your website, getting those lovely forms in front of your audience effortlessly. Our journey begins by heading over to Flodesk. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so. Once you're in, it's time to create your form. You'll find that the platform offers a variety of design options, so take your time to choose the one that fits the look and feel of your brand. Design your form just as you wish. Consider elements like text, colors, and images that will catch your audience's attention. After perfecting your form in Flodesk, the next step is to get the embed code. Go ahead and click on Publish and you'll see an option that says Embed. This is where you're going to generate the HTML embed code that you'll need for WordPress. Once the code is visible, simply copy it. This is the magic piece of code that will make your form appear on your site. Make sure you have it copied correctly. Now let's switch over to WordPress. Log into your WordPress account as you normally would. Navigate to the page or post where you want the form to appear. If you don't have a specific place in mind, think about the spots where your visitors are most likely to engage. A contact page or a landing page perhaps. Once you've decided, add a custom HTML block. This is a feature that WordPress offers to allow you to insert custom code like the one you just copied from Flodesk. With the custom HTML block ready, simply paste in the embed code from Flodesk. Make sure it fits in nicely and nothing is amiss. At this point, your form is technically on your page, but you aren't quite done yet. It's important to preview your changes to ensure everything looks exactly as you imagined. Once you've confirmed that all is well, the final step is to publish your page or post. Hit that publish button, and just like that, your Flodesk form will be live on your WordPress site. That's it. Your beautifully designed Flodesk form is now seamlessly integrated into your website. This straightforward process not only enhances your site's functionality, but also provides a more polished and interactive experience for your visitors. Thank you for joining me today, and happy embedding.